welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can reactivate your Twitter account. So if you guys deactivated your Twitter account and it hasn't been 30 days, because if it has been past 30 days, you cannot reactivate it again because your account will be deleted at that point. But let's say it hasn't been 30 days and you want to reactivate your Twitter account again. Well, you can follow the step which I'm going to show you in order to do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So after opening Twitter, at the bottom you can see the blue icon called login. Click on login and it's going to take you to the login page. Now in order to reactivate your Twitter account, it's pretty simple. You just have to log in into your Twitter account. So let me show you how we can do that. So I'm going to enter my username of my Twitter account over here to log in into it, but you can use your phone number or email. Now once you enter your username, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. So enter the password of your account and click on login. Now once you click on login, if the username and password you entered is correct, it's going to show you this. So just click on yes, reactivate, and basically your Twitter account will be reacted just like this. That's how you guys can reactivate your Twitter account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step on how to reactivate your Twitter account. I will see you guys next time.